What's going on, everybody? Yvonne here. Now let's be real. Making ads that actually convert can be a huge pain. Tweaking designs, testing different versions, and always trying to figure out what is working versus what is not. It can be super time consuming and sometimes really frustrating. And that's exactly something like AdCreative.ai can come in. Pretty much what it does is it uses AI to create a bunch of different versions of your guys' ad, and even though it may be not the final product what you guys are looking for, it can give you guys a very good head start. That way, all you gotta do is just plug it in the details, let AI do its thing, and then bam, you have all the ads in front of you. So let's go ahead and see this thing in action so I can show you guys exactly how this works. And if you guys want to follow along and play around with the tool yourself, there is going to be a link below down in the description for a free trial of the platform. Now, once you guys create your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. Now, the very first thing that I highly recommend to do is go to your guys' account right here in the top right hand corner, click on platform connections, and there's going to be multiple ad accounts you can go ahead and connect. There's going to be Meta, LinkedIn, Google, Pinterest. Whatever you guys are using, make sure you're connected because all the information from those ads is going to go directly to your guys' account, and that way there's gonna be like a bi-directional sync in a way. This is important because you guys can actually post the ads directly from this platform to your guys' ad accounts, making the whole process a lot more seamless. So once you guys have the ad accounts connected, let's go ahead and go to brands. Now, when it comes to brands, pretty much what this means is that you're able to create the ad for a specific quote brand or project inside of your guys' ad account. I've been recently really obsessed with fitness and Gymshark products, so I just created a mock account from Gymshark, but let's go ahead and see how it works under the hood. All you gotta do is just press create a brand, and from here it's pretty straightforward. All you gotta do is just select your guys' landing page or website and throw it into here and press import brand. And from there you guys can go ahead and throw your guys' website name, description, brand logo, colors, right, or even advanced setup if you guys want. Remember, the more information you guys give the platform is gonna give you guys a much more accurate result because it has more to work with. So once that's done, go ahead and press create your brand, and you should have something similar to Gymshark like I have right over here. Awesome. Then the next step should be actually creating that ad. So let's go ahead and create a project. Now there's gonna be a lot of different options for us. We can go ahead and actually create the entire ad creative, create different product photo ads, product videos. If we scroll down, there's gonna be a lot of other things like ad videos, ad text, stock images, social creatives, ad packages, batch creatives, so on and so forth. There's gonna be a lot of different options here for you guys. So it kind of depends on what you guys are looking for, but the whole goal of this platform is to centralize everything ad related in one place, and that way everything is monitored within one platform. The reason why that's beneficial is that all the data works with one another, and if you guys are gonna be paying a lot for ads, you guys probably want the data to work with one another because then nothing else slips through the cracks. Now, the whole goal of the system is to centralize all of you guys' ad spend in one place, because if all of it is connected to one centralized place, that way you guys' systems can learn from one another. Because if you guys are spending a pretty penny on your guys' ads, we want the system to know that, and we want it to know which ads are converting versus which ones are not. And that way the creative itself is going to be modified depending on the ones that are going to be working, and it's going to throw away the ones that are not. So let's scroll up here and create a very basic ad creative so I can show you guys. Now from here we can go ahead and select exactly the ones we're looking for, whether it be a post size for social media, landscape size, story size, portrait, pin, or if you have like display sizes like medium banner, leaderboard, Y skyscraper. But for most of you guys that are watching this video, I'm guessing you guys want to have something for social media. So let's go ahead and select this option here and let's press next step. Now we can either utilize AI to generate our text, or we can then go ahead and just type it in manually here. So if this is going to be for Gymshark, let's have our headline be get fit and it will be lit. That will be our main headline. Now the punchline is going to be that it's 50% off for a holiday, and the call to action is going to be buy now. Awesome. And we can go ahead and throw in a call to action icon. We go ahead and press select. There can be multiple icons we can select from here. Now from here, this is going to be the most important part. We can either go ahead and import the image that we've used in the past, so the one we have on our computer, or we can go ahead and utilize AI to actually make the image for us. Let's go ahead and do the search image option, and I'll show you guys how it works in real time. So let's press search image and let's do Gymshark fitness. So if we look at all the pictures here, there's going to be a lot of different options for us, but I like this basketball one. It kind of speaks to me. I don't know why I'm a big basketball fan recently. So let's go ahead and select it. And as you guys see, this is how our ad is going to look like. This is just a very basic version. So now let's go ahead and modify the name of our project, get fit, and it's going to be ready to rock. So let's go ahead and press generate, and boom, right now AI is doing all the hard work for us. Awesome. Now, as you guys see, the platform has generated a ton of different ads for us, so we can go ahead and choose from the ones below. Now, the cool thing about it is that it's run so many different tests on what's working working versus what is not. And based on the results, it was actually able to generate the conversion score based on the previous results on what is working and actually converting. So it's filtered top to bottom. So the highest converting ads are going to be at the top and the lowest ones are going to be at the bottom. So as you guys see, as we scroll down, the score is going to decrease. So all the best performing ads are going to be at the top, but I'll just scroll through all of them to see which ones you like the most. And if you guys want, you can also filter by product focus. So just go here and see exactly which ones are going to be more products and which ones are not. And if you guys want to modify it, all you got to do is just press this edit button right over here. You can either make a quick change or go to Creative Studio Editor. So let's go there and boom, all these parts are going to be modifiable. Think of a drag drop editor. You don't need to know any code with this. So it's really straightforward. Again, as I said before, even though you may not get the exact final product you want, this is going to give you guys a huge head start and just leg up in the game. So you can have something and just build from there. So for example, let's say you guys like this ad, but you guys don't like where the text is at. All you got to do is just select the text and you guys can go ahead and move it. So it's going to be right over here in the middle, save it, download it, and you guys are ready to rock. And as I said before, the main goal of the platform is to ensure that everything that's ad related is going to be within one place. Ranging from analytics to the actual creation of the ad itself, you guys can go ahead and see it almost like a journey. And that way you guys have a way better view of things and see which ones are working, which ones are not in the process. But let's go ahead and get out of the editor right over here. Let's go ahead and save our changes. Cool. We can either download it here or we can go ahead and push this ad onto the ad platforms. And if you guys want to go a little further into it, you can either try out different ads, different backgrounds, different text, and see which one's working and which ones are. And if you guys are still unsure, there's going to be a lot of other features, like if we click on the analyze button, that can help you guys to see insights from other competitors. Or if you guys are struggling on the idea, it can provide you guys ideas so you guys are not starting from scratch. But overall, this platform is really powerful because it has so much baked into it. If you guys go in the other tab here, like predict, you can see things like creative scoring AI, where the AI is going to tell you guys on how good your ad is, or even compliance checker AI, that's going to show you guys if you guys are breaking any legal standards. And if you guys want to check out other tools like the background remover or facial enhancer, all these features are going to be in here as well. So think about your current process right now. You're probably using Adobe, you're using Figma, you're using Meta Ads, and those are just 3 platforms that people are used on a daily basis. A lot of people have their own platforms that they use, and that just adds to the tech stack that you guys don't really need. With AdCreative, it makes it much easier to do everything within one spot, so I'd for sure check it out. And there you have it, folks. As you guys saw, creating ads does not have to be a struggle. By using AdCreative.ai, not only does it help you make the actual ad themselves, but they actually help you guys analyze it and track the whole journey of your guys' ad experience. Since the actual ad itself is being made in the platform and later being published onto Meta, Facebook, or whatever the ads you guys are using, you can go ahead and learn further and further, and that way your guys' ads are going to be a lot more accurate and convert at a higher rate. And in just a few minutes, the system creates ads that are going to be optimized and pretty much ready to go. So if you guys do want to try out the platform, it is going to be linked down below in the description. And if you guys got some value out of this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously helps support the channel. Till next time, peace.